All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Boom, would you look at this? Randy Doucette Bully. It's a pretty cool standoff knife right over here. Bam, look at this detent masterpiece. I can't, yeah, I can, but this is my preferred way indeed to check out the deployment on this Canadian-made custom knife. Look at this. Polished zirc bolsters are stunning. I mean, this is just me, like my fingerprints. Obviously, this is immaculate. And I wanted to experience the polishedness. Can you say that? Really luxurious handle. You have even like a zirconium floating backspacer. You see this patterns is wow, mesmerizing. You can get lost easily in these maple eye burl scales just by staring at them. So beautiful. Titanium anodized liners popping out like crazy, really complementing the tip-up carry-only pocket clip in black Damascus. Look at the shimmering, look at the reflection on the studs as well, on the pivot collars. Jeweled on the inside are these liners, not only anodized. This pop is crazy. Like the jimping going on if you want to do like a massively forward grind. Look at this, you could do it and you could grip it perfectly because of the finger groove right over here. You want to know the size of this fella? Yeah, it's like 3 3/4 inch of cutting edge and 4 3/4 inches for the handle for an overall length of 8.5. So awesome in the hand. Maybe needs a little bit of oil. You could lube it up just a tiny bit so we can have a little bit of yeah, it was a little bit dry, so there you go. Woo. Sleek. The weight on this guy, nicely chamfered. The floating spacer is done very well, highlights and underlines the centering of the blade. 6.42 ounces on the scale for this bad boy by Randy Doucette. This is a bully made in Canada, and I believe the steel is S90V. I'm not sure. Look at the tip of the blade. Oof. So good, thick stock. Fast deployment. You could also do a slow deployment, rolling out that thumb stud as you wish. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.